How to adjust comfort features with Google Built-in. Google Built-in allows front seat occupants to control cabin comfort features by touch or through voice activation. Quick control of the heated steering wheel, as well as the heated and ventilated seats, can be found on the fixed ribbon located at the bottom of your screen. Tapping the icons will bring up the Comfort Control menu so you can activate the feature and adjust the intensity for the heated and ventilated seats. To see an expanded view of the comfort features, swipe up on the screen from above the ribbon. You can also ask the Google Assistant for help controlling these features. To activate Google Assistant, either press the talk button on the steering wheel or say, "Hey Google," and tell the Google Assistant what you would like to do. Turn on the heated steering wheel.
Okay, turning on the steering wheel heater.
Hey Google, turn off the steering wheel heater.
Sure, turning off the steering wheel heater.
Hey Google, turn on the passenger seat fan to high.
Okay, changing the seat fan speed for the front passenger to high.